Subscribe AspDotNet tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos. Welcome to my channel AspDotNet tutorials. Welcome to Bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned basic class in Bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. So friend, in last video we have learned a group class. I will show you. So friend, you can see Bootstrap 4 button group classes. In this video we have learned basic classes. So friend, first we have needs to change 6 and it will remove and again we have creating a div and running a row and paste it, friends, and we have closed this. And friends, we have already created some pages classes. So friends, you can see we have used the classes singer, pages and pages primary. So friends, you can see we have writing all this and you can see save, and I will show you. So friends, you can see Bootstrap 4 base classes and one more, friends, one more thing, it will writing a break for separated. So only one break. So friends, I'm using a 2, I'm using only single break, and refresh again, it will see. So friends, you can see these classes. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video, friends, please like, share and subscribe my latest videos update, press the bell icon for more information, like my Facebook and follow on Instagram and Twitter. And if you have any query, friends, you can ask me or comment or email, and visit my website, www.asp.nettutorials.com, and thank you for watching videos.